The early morning is a magical time when the world is still asleep and the only sound is the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze. It's a time for quiet reflection, for introspection, and for what I like to call morning musings. My morning musings are those thoughts that float to the surface of our minds as we wake up and begin to think about the day ahead. They can be about anything, from our hopes and dreams to our fears and anxieties. Sometimes they are fleeting, like a wisp of smoke that vanishes as soon as we try to grasp it. Other times, they are profound insights that stay with us throughout the day and even beyond. For me, morning musings are an essential part of my day. They help me to set my intentions for the day, to focus on what's important, and to let go of what's not. They allow me to connect with my innermost thoughts and feelings, to understand myself better, and to be more present in the moment, family and friends. Then, after this mindset, my mind starts to think business. International business, to be precise. And this is a moment of the morning musings you see in this book. The book gives you food for thought and many reasons to reflect and to smile. Curiosity about these topics will most likely morph into a larger contemplation to foster a better understanding of global trends.